Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I got some extensions to my Jameson pole saw, and I got two 8-foot and two 6-foot. So 8 and 8 and 16, 26, 28 feet, right? Check my math. I'm going to try to reach some of my lower palm fronds without putting the ladder up and see what happens. Right now, I've still got one more 6-foot that I haven't put on there yet. The other thing I'm doing is I'm cleaning up this blade a little bit. I lent it to my neighbor one time. Word to the wise, don't do that. He left it out in the weather and then a week later gave it back to me and it was rusty. A rusty blade doesn't cut as well as a not rusty blade. So I'm cleaning it up with some 150 sandpaper, and I'm going to try oiling it. Put a little, I'm just going to spray some WD on there and see if that helps it cut better. The teeth seem still to be okay, but you know, this rubs against the sides of the cut, especially if it doesn't open up. I mean, sometimes the cut will open up, sometimes it'll close up. It depends on a lot of other factors. But I'm going to give it a try, and I will show you the results. All right, well, I got two down, plus one of those little things that covers the seed pods. You see that thing right in the middle of the screen? So if I put my pole right up against there, 8, 8, 16, and 6, 22 feet. It's about 22 feet plus my height. Maybe add, with my arms extended, maybe 7 feet. So about 30 feet is where I was cutting at. And the biggest deal, what you have to do is get the right angle on the frond that you're cutting. If you're cutting in the same direction that the angle is, the frond is pointing, you can't get a bite into it. You have to kind of come at least at a 45, or perfectly would be a 90-degree angle, and then you cut right through it pretty easy. But anyway, I'm pretty happy. I got two, and I think I can manage these two palms with just the poles and not having to put up any ladder anymore. My bigger ones, which are probably both at least 10 feet taller than these, I think I'm still going to have to put the ladder up, but that'll be another video. Anyway, also, I think my blade is ready to be replaced. I don't know. I'll have to inspect it a little bit closer. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. By the way, I know this is not as clean looking as professional tree trimmers would make it. I left a lot of stuff up there. The Mother Nature, the wind, the rain, the sun will make it all come down. So I just want the big stuff off of there. Okay, see ya. Froggy out. Bye-bye. So if I have a small job, I don't get the chainsaw out. I've got this battery-powered Milwaukee. It's maybe overkill, maybe not. A carbide blade. And this stuff actually goes in the trash barrel. It does not go in green waste, because I guess, oh, that's a bad focus, isn't it? Don't know why. Trouble focusing. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, doesn't go in green waste. There you go. Sorry about that. I figured if I played around with the camera enough, I'd find something that would focus. Okay, Froggy out. Bye.